The 2024 Geometry G6 was launched on January 16 with an official guide price of 119,800 yuan to 185,800 yuan. The 2024 Geometry G6 has undergone 30 upgrades and updates in 5 main aspects: real durability, real safety, real comfort, real quality and real intelligence, including 3 electrical systems, interior design and smart comfort configuration. First of all, the external shape continues the traditional design of the geometric family and is still based on the light language future design concept. The long and narrow headlights on both sides of the front face and the light strip connecting in the middle can illuminate the logo and make it extremely recognizable. The whole look looks quite technological. Of course, I personally think that the most interesting design of the entire front face is the outer corners decorated like air ducts on both sides. The darkened design adds a sporty atmosphere. When it comes to the rear, the first thing that catches the eye is that the design of the entire taillight group is richer and the strip decoration is full of details. As a family car, the space performance of the entire trunk is quite tidy, which is absolutely suitable for daily home storage, and the compartment below is also equipped with this tire repair fluid. When entering the car, the color is Yuanshan dye, which is very suitable for the aesthetics of young people and has the advantages of being stain-resistant and easy to maintain. Secondly, there is also a lot of storage space. Due to the hatch design, there is still plenty of storage space between the driver and passenger. There is mobile phone wireless charging in the high-end armrest box. The top-end version also has a power moonroof. As for the rear row, it is a model that is positioned mainly as a family. For the convenience of rear passengers, the rear row features independent air conditioning outlets and a USB charging interface. The 410 km endurance version has a maximum engine power of 100 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 180 Nm. The 500 km endurance version has a maximum engine power of 150 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 310 Nm. The batteries of both cars have been upgraded to FRP battery packs, which adopt a module-less design to minimize the size of the battery pack and maximize space inside the vehicle. Liquid cooling technology ensures that the temperature of the battery pack is always controlled within a reasonable range in extremely hot or cold weather, allowing actual battery life to exceed 90%. At the same time, in terms of energy supply, the version with a 500 km battery life can add 100 km of battery life with 8 minutes of charging, and then it can quickly charge from 30% to 80% in just 20 minutes.